The Department of Official Language under the Ministry of Home Affairs held a high-level press conference on Thursday at the Sonar Tori State Guest House to announce the upcoming Joint Regional Official Language Conference. The grand event is scheduled to take place on Friday, February 20 at the Hapania International Fair Ground. Addressing the media, Anshuli Arya, Secretary of the Department of Official Language, confirmed that Union Home Minister Amit Shah will officially inaugurate the conference. This marks a significant milestone as it is the first time Tripura is hosting a joint summit of this scale, bringing together three major zones: Eastern Region, West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar and Jharkhand; Northeastern Region, all 8 northeastern states including host Tripura; North Region, states like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh.
Press is the fourth pillar of democracy. आप लोग आए हैं तो जो भी हम काम करना चाह रहे हैं उसमें हमें बहुत आपका सहयोग मिलेगा और I convey my sincere thanks. मैं आप बहुत आभारी हूँ कि आप लोग आए इतने बड़ी संख्या में। सबसे पहले मैं आपको इसका रेफरेंस दे दूं कि what is it all about. So you may be knowing that as per Article 343 of the Indian Constitution, Hindi has been identified as the official language of the country, and its lipi will be Devanagari. What do we mean by that? We mean that the work in central government offices, be it the PSUs, ministries or banks, it should be done in Hindi. But the constitution makers were very much aware of the diverse conditions of India, and they did not impose any penalty if Hindi was not used. तो हिंदी का जो प्रयोग है वो प्रेरणा और प्रोत्साहन से है, इसमें कोई दंड का प्रावधान नहीं है। हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स थे बहुत उनकी दूरगामी सोच थी, और यदि आप आर्टिकल 344 से 351 तक पढ़ेंगे तो हिंदी के साथ साथ सभी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस के लिए भी उन्होंने ध्यान रखा, जहां आर्टिकल 351 ये कहता है कि यह संघ का कर्तव्य होगा कि वो हिंदी भाषा का विकास करे और जो भारत के कॉम्पोजिट कल्चर है उसमें अभिव्यक्ति का माध्यम बने, परंतु साथ ही साथ उन्होंने अन्य क्षेत्रीय भाषाओं के विकास की भी बात की। उन्होंने एक सिटीजन को ये राइट दिया कि वो अपनी मदर टंग में, अपनी मातृभाषा में अपना ग्रीवांस सरकार के सामने रख सकता है। इसमें किसी भाषा की वजह से कोई उसको दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए। तो अब तक जो मैंने कहा है, बेसिकली दैट आवर कंट्री इज अ डाइवर्स कंट्री विद many cultures, but there is unity in diversity, and that was recognized by the Constituent Assembly also, Baba Saheb Ambedkar also, and care was taken in the Constitution to see that all languages of India are given their due importance and that government takes steps for their development. Right. Now coming to the present situation, as you know, for development of Hindi and for progressive use of Hindi in the state government offices, various steps were taken by the central government. Training institutes were started, translators were given to each ministry, because that time most of the work was being carried out in English.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.